Welcome back to Haha Bakes. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. What did you guys think about the last episode with the summer rolls? Did you guys have a chance to make them yet? Make sure you leave a comment below. So piggyback offing yesterday's recipe, I decided that I want to do something that's like a light dessert that I can eat a whole bowl of without feeling guilty. And it is creme brulee! You can make creme brulee with 5 easy ingredients. Let's see what we're working with. So for creme brulee recipe, you'll be needing 5 egg yolks. I went ahead and separated the egg whites, and we'll probably be using egg whites for macarons later on. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use vanilla bean if you have it. 2 cups of heavy cream. You will also be needing a half cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Let's get working! Let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees. While the oven is preheated, let's start working on the cream portion. So this portion of the recipe, you're going to need a saucepan, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Use the fresh vanilla bean if you have it. All right. Give it a good mix and throw in a pinch of salt. Let it come to a simmer and set aside. Now that the cream is set aside, we'll go ahead and start working on the eggs. So for the eggs, you're going to go ahead and put the 5 egg yolks, half a cup of the sugar, and you're going to give it a light mix. Nice little heating. 30 moments, we're going to go ahead and pour this into the cream. Now that's coming into a good yellow color, we'll go ahead and put this in these little ramekins and put them in the oven. So for this recipe, you can make about 4 of them. So I'll go ahead and put this in the recipe. But it should look like this. And make small little ones as treats. Before we put them in the oven, we're going to go ahead and grab a Pyrex plate. You want one that has a little bit of depth. Put a little bit of water in it where it just meets, when you put this down, it meets half the creme brulee tray. Alright, once you see that it's half, you are good to go. So I went ahead and put the remaining creme brulee mixture into these little ramekins, and I'll put these in the oven as well, and let's see what we'll have. And we're back. Welcome back, everyone. So I did go ahead and cook this for 50 minutes and took it out. I rested it for about 2 hours in cool temperatures, so cool. So your creme brulee consistency should kind of be like almost like a jelly-like. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and top this off with some brown sugar. All you need is just basically a very thin layer, just enough to cover the entire topping. So once you're done, it should look like this, completely covered, nice and golden. All right, let's get a torch and start torching. Give it a little twirl, so that way you're not just burning one space. Like that. All right, now let's go ahead and put some toppings on. So this is what it looks like. And now we'll go ahead and add some confection sugar. And there you have it, a beautiful creme brulee. Now, if you ever want to give this a try to see if your shell is hard enough, all you gotta do is just give it a light tap. And you should hear that. And if you hear that, that means you did a great job. Let's go ahead and give this baby a little try, shall we? A little berry here. This is amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you back here. See ya. Bye.